project, we're talking about different outlines, include presentation about 5 major functions of management, including planning, organizing, staffing, leading, and controlling. Also, we're talking about descriptions of the 3 management styles, including directing, delegating, and discussing. Starting on planning, by definitions, it is defined as an act of selecting or choosing what will be done in either 1 or 10 years or in the future. Some of the tasks are including planning the event which will be happening in the future, also deciding what to include in your planning. And examples of the planning that a manager would do, of course, there is product and services planning, expansion plans, and financial planning. Move on the second, which is organizing. By definitions, it is defined as a process of arranging how different resources in the company will be used or how workers will work to achieve their goals. Move on the task of organizer, including helping the planner to achieve their goal. Also, there is making a follow-up of a given activities. Another task includes the grouping of tasks in departments. Some of the examples of the organizing that a manager would do include setting objectives, organizes, motivates and communicates, measures and develops people. Move on the third functions of management, which is staffing. By definition, it is defined as the process or the way of recruiting or examination, employer, and prepare some of the training for the improvement of employer skills when it is necessary. Move on the tasks include recruitment, providing ongoing training, and hiring employers with the necessary skills. What are the examples of the staffing that a manager would do? Of course, there is coaching, counseling, coordinating the activity, motivating employer, and forecasting the future. Move on the 4 functions of management include, which is leading. By definition, it is a process of being responsible, of showing people how things must be done in order to achieve the goals of organization. The task of a leader including motivate employer, helping employers to achieve their goal, and communicate effectively on time. Some of the examples of the leading that a manager would do include taking decisions and solving conflict between employers. Move on the last functions of management, which is controlling. By definitions, it is a process of evaluating the employer's action or performance to make sure that the organization goals is being achieved. Move on the task of a controller include making change where it's necessary. There is changing the result or outcome and measuring actual performance of employer. Some of the examples of the controlling that a manager would do include measuring actual performance, comparing performance with the standard, and taking correction action. Move on the description of the 3 management style. First, let me start on directing. By definition, it is a process of guiding employers by telling them what to do, how to do it, and when to do it in order to achieve the company's goal. Additionally, this process is done through listening and following. Some of the strengths of directing including effective communicator, effective decision maker, also understand well instructions. Move on. The weakness include incapable to organize your thought before you begin direct others. Also, there is deliver the direction or instruction which is not understandable. Another weakness include unable to have strategic planning. Move on. The scenario where you can find the directing word. Of course, on the next years, a company called X has not skilled about technology. Additionally, because a manager and the team they work together need improvement of their company, they was be able to search another person in another company where they have a relationship and partnership, so that the people from that company can be able to train their company in order to be able to use well technology. Finally, the company X developed or increased in terms of technology due to that training. Move on. Delegating, by definition, is defined as a process of telling employer what to do and what is expected from their actions as an outcome. Move on. The strength of delegating include to be able to listen and ask follow-up questions, also to be able to explain what to do and when to do it, communicating and collaborating effectively. Move on. The weakness of delegating includes lack of authority, lack of trust, incapable work to work in a group. Move on. The scenario where you can find delegating. Sometimes a manager can have a meeting with another company called maybe Save the Children, whom they have a partnership. Additionally, that meeting, maybe it can be scheduled on a given time and a given date, so that they can have the time to talk about that meeting. Directly, that manager can receive an urgent message on his phone, which saying that his father is died. Directly, he can delegate or he can empower other person on behalf of him in that meeting, so that he can go in federal process. Finally, the empowered person will be able to share ideas with others and be able to explain or activity happening in the meeting to a manager of a company, so that they will achieve the goal of organization. Move on. The third types, which is discussing, by definition is a process in which the manager interact with employer in order to make something clear or solve some problems. Some of the strength of discussing include critical thinking skills, flexibility to handle different changes, and be able to creativity. Weakness of discussing include not to be familiar of working in groups, also misunderstanding between group discussion, that can be a weakness. Move on. The scenario where it can include discussing style. Always a manager of a company is able of taking decision on a given problem or event happening. For instance, a company should have a suggestion of saving some amount of money to all employers on their salary in order to help them in their future. Additionally, when a manager finished to plan this suggestion, he should invite all employers in the meeting and discuss with them about the activity. Furthermore, every employer should listen to the manager and provide the idea about the suggestion and how everyone understand it. Finally, at the end of discussion and through the question asked by a manager or question asked to all people or employers, the manager can take a decision and based on the general ideas of all employers. So thank you. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you so much.